Hello everyone, welcome back to the Communicators. This is Pulkit Maheshwari, and in this video I have come up with a new job opportunity which is from Accenture. Yes, Accenture is hiring again. So if you have missed the previous attempts, then you can apply for this opportunity. Also, if you are new to this channel, kindly go through the content of the channel. You will definitely love it. As apart from off-campus videos, we give placement guidance videos also. So, without wasting much time, let's get started.
So guys, this is the job application portal of Accenture. Here I'll be telling you what is the job profile, the job description, the location, the roles and responsibilities, the application procedure, and at last I'll tell you what is the CTC which is offered by Accenture for this position. So this is the application portal, and the link of the portal I will give you in the description. You can apply it from there. So moving further, the profile is Associate Software Engineer. And as far as the job description is concerned, you have to design, develop, test, assemble and support application using business requirements, understand business drivers, bake technology trends into solutions, and you will be responsible for incident resolution and support extension. They would like to have candidates with the ability to anticipate and resolve business issues with agility, multidisciplinary and versatile with aptitude, good analytical and problem solving skills, deliver code, take ownership of successful implementation of the solution, support infrastructure operations, and flexible to relocate for project deployment. That is, the location will be pan-India. As far as the skills are concerned, you must have basic understanding on ABAP development and experience in configuration customization of Salesforce.com application, good working knowledge in J2EE and full stack development, and knowledge and development experience of .NET. Now coming back to the form, here you have to tell them how did you find about the job. You can select from any of these. Your personal detail like gender, full name, last name, university registration number, your email ID, your mobile number, your WhatsApp consent. Do you want additional information on your WhatsApp as well? So you can check this out. Alternate mobile number, your date of birth, your current location, add your educational details here, your professional details here, and your skills here. Select primary skills. Where do you use the primary skills? Select from these. Secondary skill, do you have used the secondary skill as well? If you have done any certifications, then certification 1 and certification 2, these are not mandatory, so you can skip this out. If you have certifications, you can fill the details. Language certifications, do you have done any courses in foreign languages? Your preferred location, you can select any of these locations. Your preferred location 1, 2 and 3. Other details, do you have gap in education? Have you worked in Accenture before? Standing backlogs? Have you appeared for an assessment or an interview process for Accenture in the last 3 months? Guys, I would like to tell you that previously it was 6 months, but they have changed it to 3 months now. So if you haven't attempted any interview process of Accenture in last 3 months, then you can select yes. Are you Indian citizen? Yes. Attach your CV here, your passport size photograph here, which should be less than 3 MB. Resume should be less than 1 MB. Upload your college ID, one government ID proof. Tell them these details. Do you consider yourself to have a disability? Please select yes or no. Declaration consent, check this. I agree, yes. Yes, I agree, I agree. Select all these and then submit your application. Then you are good to go. Now talking about the CTC for Associate Software Engineer. So Accenture is offering 4.5 LPA for this position, and as you all know, Accenture is a very good company. So I believe this is a very good opportunity for freshers. So apply for this right now. And also I would like to tell you that kindly subscribe to the channel for regular off-campus job updates and also for regular placement guidance. So all the very best and ace all the interviews. Thank you.